Hi, I'm Karthik Rannan. I'm the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. So this is Chandana. I hope all are doing well. Please, I need response. Still, people are joining. Please inform to your friends also. I think nobody is active. How are you guys? Only 2 people give me response. Here we have 34 members in Zoom. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm also good. So guys, do you have any queries? Please let me know in the chat box. So today I'm going to explain about LMS, okay? Yesterday we missed out, right? Because of time issue. So today, last 15 minutes, I will conduct the time about LMS, okay? Any questions regarding LMS? Okay, about this session recordings? Anything? No, no. Okay. Please inform to your friends also to join. We'll start the session. So within 5 minutes. So actually, I'm going to conduct a multi-unit test as well. So I'll inform about that.
So, Chandana, you can actually hand over the class to the trainer.
Yeah, sure. Yes, I can over to you.
Thank you, Chandana. Good evening, everyone. In the last class, we have seen directions and blood relations. So, do you have any doubts in those topics? If at all, if you have any doubts in those topics, once I'll try to tell those. So, shall I go for next topic? Many people are yet to join. Only one person has told that there is no doubt, sir. What about the others? Everyone? Yesterday, I have given homework in my of questions, na, that you solved. People solved that? No? Yesterday, I have given homework in my of questions, na. So yesterday's question, do you want me to solve? Or else I'll give you one more question that you solve and tell me the answer now. You solve this question and tell me the answer. You solve this and tell me the answer. By the time other people join, you solve this question and tell me the answers. Post your answers, I'll explain. If I keep on explaining, when you people will be doing. Post your answers for the questions which I have given, then I'll explain. Ramya, you have done those homework questions that you answer. Then solve all the questions, and what doubt you have in which question you people ask me, I'll explain those questions. Okay. Okay. So now coming to this question. Sham walks 5 kilometers. This is the starting point. He walks 5 kilometers, then turns left and walks 6 kilometers, turns left and walks 6 kilometers. Again, he turns right and walks 9 kilometers. So he's walking 9 kilometers. Finally, he turns to his right. So he's going like this and he's turning right means he'll come like this and he'll walk 6 kilometers. So he'll be here now, 6 kilometers. Similar question I have given. Okay. How far is he from the starting point? So from here, 5 plus 9. So it is 14 kilometers. This is a simple question only. Okay. Next. So now coming to analogy. Do you people remember the proportion concept what I told earlier? Proportion concept. Proportion concept what I told, do you remember earlier? There I told about analogy also. Ratio and proportion. There I told about analogy also. How many of you attended that ratio and proportion class? That is a different topic. What directions and blood relations is a different topic, and this is a different topic. Anyway, you want quick recap? Okay. See, blood relations I have given in the last before class. That is nothing but, so we have seen three types of relations. I mean, three types of problems. That is decoding one, decoding from backside, then symbols and symbols with relations. That questions also I have told you. Symbols with relations, and then family tree diagram questions, family tree cases. These three models we have seen. So there mostly we have solved decoded from backward, first case, and then second case is not that much important for our placements, and third case is that family tree diagram we have solved puzzles. Okay, most probably I think today you will be having exam on blood relations, directions. Yesterday you had exam also, no? Chandana,
No, Sai Kiran. Today I'm not conducting. Today I'm explaining about LMS.
okay,
Tomorrow
fine.
I'm conducting on directions. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Thank you.
Then coming to directions, yesterday we had directions class. Default direction is our north direction. So opposite of that will be south direction. So now here it should be east and here it should be west. So we will be having four main directions. The angle between any two main directions is 90 degrees. And default direction is north direction. And then coming to auxiliary directions are totally we'll be having 8 directions. Auxiliary directions are this. Am I correct? This is north, so this will be northeast because it is in between north and east. So this is southeast. This is southwest. This is northwest. Okay. So angle between any two auxiliary directions is 90 degrees. Any two main directions is 90 degrees. Okay. So this is 0 degrees. And then this only will be 360 degrees. So every 45 degrees we'll have one auxiliary direction and one main direction after 90 degrees. So we have seen what is the shortest distance? Shortest distance between A, B, C. What is the shortest distance between A and C? So this one, we should always tell Pythagoras case. So root of AB square plus BC square. Okay, these are the cases. After this, we solve some question, angular rotation questions, and these questions we have solved. So this is what we had. So if I gave the questions and I told you people to solve. So now what about the other cases? So now coming to analogy. So coming to analogy, what is analogy for you? I told in proportion concept, I told you about analogy. Okay, even if you have not gone through. So analogy is nothing but see, I have A is to B, that same relation should be there between C and D. Okay, whatever relation I have here, the same relation should be here. For example, if you take 2:4, I gave you in the reasoning introduction also. Here, I'll be having 9:2 something. So here there are two possibilities. One, it is +2. So this also should be +2. So one possibility is that answer should be 11. Or else this is into 2. So this also can be into 2. So one other possibility is 18. And one more is that 2:2 square, 9:9 square. So 81. So three answers are possible for the single question. Relation, whatever exists on the LHS side. So relation on LHS is equal to relation on RHS. Okay, this is the main criteria for analogy. Okay, this is the main criteria for analogy. Okay, so now whatever might be the relation, whatever might be the relation, the first priority, in this case, three relations are possible. Three relations are possible. So we have to give preference for which one? We have to give preference for which one? Tell me for which one you will give preference. Why for 81? Why for 81 you tell me? Hmm? Why only for 81? Why for square root? Farjana Shaikh. Why for square root? Logically, you might be giving a tricky one, sir. All are correct. No preference should be given to any option. See, one of these only will be there in the options. Or else either will be there in the options. One of this or else either. Okay, one of this or else either will be there in the options. So what we should do? We should always give preference for which one? We have to think in the way reverse into is there means reverse also will be there. So here you should think in the way how the paper sitter has thought. So always give preference for the options which are present. So options, one of this only will be there in the options. Will not have all the three in the options. We'll have only one of this, or else there might be a case of either. Okay, either also will be there in the options. So coming to this, here most probably in analogy, you should give preference to questions like questions mostly they'll be depending on prime numbers, prime number logic. Prime number logic in the sense prime number squares, the number which are not divisible by any other number and it is divisible by only itself. These are called prime numbers. So prime numbers we have to give preference. Prime numbers, squares, divisions, multiplications. Okay. Next, additions, subtractions, V Budmas rule. V Budmas rule, you know, no? Being an engineering or degree student, V Budmas you will be knowing. Do you know what is V Budmas? Where it is used? Do you know? Vernacular. V means vernacular there. That I'll show again in number series case. Don't worry. So these we should be having good idea. And then here the logic is that you should be thinking in the way how the paper setter thinks. These are the only two logics that are present in the analogies. Okay. So now mostly you people only should tell the answers for the questions what I give now. I will not be telling anything. You people only should be telling. Okay, very good. So we should go from left or right. For V bud mass, if suppose simplifications or approximations is given, so we should be going from left or right. You tell me. From left to right. Very good. Okay. Now I will show the questions. You people should keep on solving. See the first question. Every question I want you people only to solve one answer. All are previous questions only. Most probably you'll have one or two questions from this topic in placements. So what would be the answer for first one? What should be the answer for first one? I want everyone to solve one answer. These are very simple questions. You people only should solve and tell me. Sixteen. Now Sai Kiran Ganta 8. Sai Shiva 8. Yashwant 8. Jasmine Yasmina 16. Farjana Sheikh 8. Along with the answers, comment your logics also, so that others also will be knowing the logics. How many logics are possible also is important. So people who told it as 18 or else 16, they might have done it this way. So 6 into 3, no? So 4 into 4 they might have put. Sorry. 4 into 4. This 4 into 4. This is not compulsory. We cannot tell that if it is into 3 means that time I can consider it. Okay. That is one case. Or else, another case, people what they might have done is 6 plus 12 equal to 18. Okay. So 4 plus 12 should be 16. So this also they might have thought and they might have told it as 16. Am I correct? But as per the key, what is provided in the examination, it is not. See, many logics are coming. Satya is saying that 2 square plus 2, 4 square plus 2. So here also it should be 2 square and then 4 square something. So that also might be one of the logic, but as per the key he has provided, so the answer is 8. Okay. So 6 is to 18, no. So this is nothing but 6 is to 6 square by 2. 6 square is how much? 36, no? So now 4 is to 4 square by 2. 4 square by 2 is how much? 16 by 2. So it should be 8. That's it. So answer is 8, not 16. Understood? Understood or not? So this is the answer actually. This is the logic what he has thought. So similarly, you solve next question. Next question and tell me the answers. You have to think when you keep on practicing Vivek, you'll get the logics. Like by the time you end the session today, you'll get lot of logics. So now solve next question and tell me the answer. Second one, logic also I want. I want logic also for that. Want logic also for it. So 15, everybody is telling 15. 15, huh? See. So 14 is to 9. 14 is to 9. So 26 is to how much? So logic is that 14 by 2, sorry, 14 is to 9, no. This 9 is nothing but 14 by 2 plus 2. So now similarly, 26 is 2. This should be 26 by 2 plus 2. So it should be 15. That's it. 15 is the answer. Okay. So this is very important question. You tell me the answer for this. This is very important question. Tell me the answer for this. Tell me the answer for it. So 378. What is the logic? If it is 378, what is the logic? I want everyone to tell the logic. So now tell me the logic. What is the logic also you have to tell. 378, 291, you people are commenting. To 378, 378. What is the logic for 378? Tell me. 378, what is the logic? So here the logic is 583 na. 583 digit sum is the logic. This is very important. Digit sum is very important. Okay, digit sum is very important. Digit sum logic. So it means that 5 plus 8 plus 3. That is 5 plus 8 plus 3 is how much? 5 plus 8 plus 3 is 16. Similarly, 2 plus 9 plus 3. So 2 plus 9 plus 3 is how much? This is 14. So it is digit sum is 16 is to 14. So difference should be 2. In the same way, 4 plus 8 plus 8. 4 plus 8 plus 8 is how much? 20. So if it is 20, this side we should have an option which is going to give us how much? 18 sum. So 18 sum which will give you, first option is not going to give you 18. Second option is giving 18. This is not giving 18. This is not giving 18. So 3 plus 7 plus 8 will give you 18. So answer is 378. So digit sum logic is very important. When you are not finding any other logics, use this digit sum case. Okay. Someone told like last letter is Sai Kiran Ganta, last letter is same. Maybe that also might be one of the reason. Last letter is same. See, for a single question, you will get multiple options. Okay. So now I want you people to solve these 3 questions and tell me the answers. Be fast. So what is the answer? So for first one, it is how much? 143. Yeah. So this is 48 is to 12 is to here. Whatever relation I have in these 2 places, the same should be there for me. Am I correct? Sorry, 48 is to 12. So here, I think number is missing, I think. So 7 is to 48. 7 is to 48. Here, how much it will come, I should tell. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? So what is the logic for first one? This is 7 square minus 1. So this should be 12 square minus 1. So 144 minus 1, that is 143. 143. What about this one? 5 is to 150. 8 is to how much? So 5 is to 150. What is the logic here? So this is n square minus 1. N is to n square minus 1 logic. This is very important. N is to n square minus 1 logic is very important in the exams for you. Okay. Okay. Next one. 5 is to 150. 8 is to how much he told. So here logic is, see here, 5 is to 150, no. So this is 5 is to 150. So 150 will be how much? 5 is to 5 square plus 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. 5 square is 25. Okay, this is the logic. So now 8 is to how much means? 8 is to 8 square plus 8 cube. This should be the answer. So 8 cube is how much? Can someone fastly tell me 8 cube is how much? Tell me 8 cube is how much? 512 plus 64. So how much is it? 576 will be the answer. So this will be n is to n square plus n cube. So these n logics are very important. See, I can initially tell away this logic for you and then make you solve. But that will not work out. So if I tell with the question the logic, no, then it will be easy for you. Okay. Solve this and tell me. Next one, how much? How much is the answer? What is the logic? How much is the what is the logic for next one? What is the logic for next one? Logic. Already I have bolded. I want to know the logic. I want you to tell the logics. Digit sum. First one 9. Next one it is 12. So 841 is how much? 13. This will be 15. 13 plus 13. All bold ones are not answers, no sir. Just I am telling you for this one. See here, if you tell it is digit sum, 4 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to how much? 9. Next 4 plus 6 plus 2 is how much? 12. So difference is plus 3. So 8 plus 4 plus 1 is how much? 9, 13. Now 870 is 15. So difference is only 2, no. So in that way it is not correct. Okay. See here the logic is that this is not correct. So logic is that 441 is to 462. What about this one? 841 is to how much he asked. So this is 21 square. This is 21 square plus 21. So this one will be how much? This one is how much? 29 square. So here I should have 29 square plus 29, the same number. N square is to n square plus n. This is our logic. Okay? Okay, na? Understood? So these n logics are very important. That is why I am stressing in this slide only n logics. Are you all okay? If you are okay, we'll go for next slide. These logics and all you write in a separate paper at the starting or else at a corner in the page. Then it will be easy for you. See, I am telling you in number series, in number analogy, odd man out, all this, I will not have much part to do. The thing is that you people have to solve. Okay. Next. So now solve these questions and tell me the answers. Be fast. If you people solve, it will be interesting. Solve this and comment your answers. Be fast. So 42 is to 56. 110 is to how much? Again, one of the n logics. Yes, mean I couldn't understand what your logic is. That 7 square minus 7, something square minus 1, minus 8. N square minus n square minus 7 into 6. Ankit, very good. So you might be having your logics, but what logic I got is, I thought is, see, if you have given your logic, that is very good, very fine. Okay. So 42 is to 56. If that is also following, then no problem. So this is 6 into 7. What about this one? 7 into 8. What about this now? 10 into 11. Okay. Now what should be this? 11 into 12. 11 into 12. So see, this is n into n plus 1. Okay. Is to n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is the logic. So this is 132 is our answer. 132 is the answer. Okay. So this might be many possibilities. 5 square is to 6 square. So 7 square is to 8 square you might get. 8 square means 64. That is not there in the option. So this logic is not valid. Next one it is 25 is to 36. So what it is, 49 is to how much? Okay. So here it is plus 11. So this also should be plus 11. So it is 60. That's it. So 60 is the answer. Okay. As per key, it is this one. Plus 11 only it is satisfying. Apart from that, any other things are not satisfying. If you have any other logic, you can tell me. Okay. Shall I move to next question? So this n logics, all you should remember, n square minus 1, n square plus n cube, n plus n square, n plus n1, all this you should remember. Now solve these two questions and tell me the answers. This is one question and this is one question. Solve these two questions and tell me the answers. Be fast. Solve this and tell me the answers, everyone. So what is the answer for first one? Nine, huh? 8 and 9, many people are commenting 8 and 9. So 25 is to 5 now. This would be 65 is to how much he is asking. Sorry, in this question you make a correction. This is 26 is to 5. Sorry. So 26 is to 5. Now you do. Now you do. Sorry. Now I think you'll easily get the answer. Sorry. So this is 5 is to 5 square plus 1. This is 8 is to 8 square plus 1. That's all, no? So 8 should be our answer. Okay. Here the logic is 14 is to 9, no? So 14 is to 9, we should tell 26 is to how much? Okay, this is, here the logic actually what they have followed is, very good. Ankit Aman commented correctly, very good logic. Very good, Ankit. The logic what you commented is absolutely correct. So see here, this is 7 plus 2. Okay, this is 7 into 2. Okay, similarly, this is what into 2? 13 into 2, no? So this will be how much? 13 plus 2. So answer is 15. So logic is n into x is to n plus x. This is the logic. N into x plus n plus x. This is the logic. Okay. Okay. Next questions you solve and tell me the answers. Be fast, everyone. So this also you solve and tell me the answers. Be fast. This you solve and tell me the answers. Yeah, both logics are applicable. Many people are commenting two logics. What 7 is to 56? Okay, 9 is to how much? Okay, so one possibility is 7 is to 7 square plus 7. Here it should be 9 is to 9 square plus 9. That is 81 plus 9. So it is 90. This is one logic. Or else 7 is to 7 into 8. So 9 is to 9 into 10. This is also 90. Okay. This is n is to n into n plus 1 logic. Okay. So similarly, you do next one and tell me the answers. Be fast, everyone. So both ways it is divided by 7. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. 574 divided by 7 is 82. Okay. Next one. Now solve this. Solve these two and tell me the answers. See, I told now most of the questions you only have to solve and tell me. $97 because 2 plus 1 equal to 3 and 5 plus. Oh, that might be one of the logic. Okay. We cannot particularly tell that what I told is correct. There might be different logics. I am thinking in that way. You are thinking in one more way like that. That's it. So 149 is to 238. This is how much? 159 is to how much? So this is plus 89. So this also should be plus 89. So 248 is the answer. That's it. Okay. So next one. What is next one? Already done, sir. Simply we can add. So how much is it? So 42 is to 56. Already we have done this question, no? 110 is to how much? So we have done this, no? 7 into 6, or else 6 into 7. This will be 7 into 8. So this will be 10 into 11. So this is 11 into 12. That's all, no? We have already done, sorry. So now tell me answer for this one. Tell me answer for this one. See, 8 is to 28. So 8 is to 28 means how much? See, 63 Saraswati commented. After that, nobody commented. Everyone comment. What is the answer for this question? So 8 is to 28. So 8 is to 28. 27 is to how much? So this is 2 cube. This is 3 cube plus 1. It means that this is n cube is to n plus 1 whole cube plus 1. So now this should be 27. 27 is what cube? 3 cube. So this should be how much? 4 cube plus 1. So that is 64 plus 1. So how much is the answer? 65. Okay, 65 is the answer. Sai Shiva and Vivek commented 65. Very good. Understood? See, all the n logics, whatever I am telling here, you make note of this and keep practicing questions based on the n logics. 68 is to 130. 68 is to 130. So here something should come. This is 350. So what is the logic? 68 means what? See, these are very important. Tell me what is the answer? Tell everyone, please. So now the logic is that 4 cube plus 4. Okay, this is 4 cube plus 4. So this is how much? 5 cube plus 5. Okay. So this is 7 cube plus 7. So now this should be how much now? 6 cube plus 6. That's it. Okay. N cube plus n is to n plus 1 whole cube is to n plus 1. Sorry, plus n plus 1. This is the logic. Okay. 6 cube is how much? 216. 216 plus 6. 222 is our answer. Okay. 222 is our answer. Okay, everyone. Next. Solve this and tell me the answer. What is the logic for this? I think we have done this right. 90 is the answer for this. We have done 7 into 6 into 7 is to 7 into 8 is to 72 means 8 into 9. 9 into 10. So it is 90. Okay. Next. Solve these questions. Solve these and tell me the answers. Be fast. See, 3 into 3. So this should be 4 into 4. That is one possibility. If that is the case, B will be the answer. Or else 3 into 3. 3 into 3 square. So 4 into 4 square. That case also it will be 16. Or else 3 into 3. So 4 into 3. It means that it is 12. But as per key, it is only 16 only. But okay, all the logics are possible. Next, what about second one? This you tell me. How much is the answer? What is the answer for this? You tell me. What is the answer? cube minus 1 Vaibhav is commenting. 511 n cube minus 1 Sai Kiran Ganta. So this is 5 is to 5 124. 5 is to 124 means this is 5 is to 5 cube minus 1. Am I correct? So this should be 8 is to 8 cube minus 1. 8 cube minus 1 is how much? 8 cube is how much? Already. 512, 512. So 8 cube minus 1. So 512 minus 1. So it is 511. That's it. 511 is the answer. Next one, you tell me the answer. This one we have already seen, no, this question. Do you remember? Digit logic case. Okay, question he can ask like this also. Okay, this is sum is 16. Digit sum, this is 14. So here it is 20. Here it should be 18. So 487 is the answer. Okay, but analogy question he can ask like this also. 583 is related to 293 in the same way as 488 is related to dash, like that. Okay. Next, solve these questions. Solve these 3 questions. Be fast. Solve this and tell me the answers. Be fast. I think this also we did. This also we did, I think. 11 is to 25 we didn't do. Next questions you already did, I think. This also you didn't do, I think. This you did. 5 square plus 1, 5. So this is 8 square plus 1, 8. So 8 is the answer, C. So what about this one? So 11 is to 25. 17 is to how much? So this is 11 into 2 plus 3 into n plus n plus 1. Okay. So here also it should be into 2 plus how much? 3. So that is 34 plus 3, 37 is the answer. So 37 is our answer. So how much is the answer for this? 4 is to 9. So this is just plus 5. So this also should be plus 5. So 31 is the answer. That's it. 31. Very good. 31. Next one. So now answer this. So before you go for this, you always should have numberings. You should be knowing the numberings. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So from 1 to 6, you should be knowing numbering. To remember this, I'll give you some logics. See, You have a friend called E Jyoti. You have a friend called E Jyoti. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. For all fives, we have a logic. You have a friend called E Jyoti. So it is 25. So and then till 6 you people will remember generally. Okay, till 5 we will be knowing. Anyway, F is 6. We have a movie called 7 by G, Brindavan Colony. 7G movie it is there, na? In that heroine will die at the last. You have a, you know or not? Okay, from that 7G. So we have T20 match. Okay. 16, what do you call in Telugu? Padaru. So it is P. Or else in Tamil it is Padanaru. So it is P. Like that you remember. P is 16. Okay. Or else Sridevi's first movie is Padarella Vaisu. So it is 16. Like that you remember. P is 16. Okay, like this you remember. Okay. So you try to answer these now. Backward numbering is also very important. So from forward what you are getting, in the same way from backward also numbering you should be knowing. So backward plus forward together it will be 27. If you know forward, backward will be 27 minus forward. Okay, backward will be 27 minus forward. Okay, this also you should remember. See? So how much is the answer for first one? So A, D, E. So 1, 4, 5. F is 7. F is 6, 7. J is 10. That's all, no? J is 10. So now, what about this one? So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 he told. So what is the logic here? What K N, O you give numbering. K is 16. N is how much? N is, sorry, K is 11. N is 14. O is 15. Okay. So now similarly, what would be the logic? You tell me here. What would be the logic? Give numberings. See, here it is plus 5. Am I correct? Here it is how much? Plus 3. Again, here it is plus 5. So what about this one? So similar logic, it will be PQT. So 11 plus 5, it is 16. Okay, 11 plus 5 is 16. Next plus 3. N plus 3. N plus 3 is how much? N is 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 means how much? Q. Am I correct? Next, O is 15. O is 15. 15 plus 5, 20. So 20. So PQT is the answer. So similarly, what about this one? See, C to D is plus 1. L to M, L to N. L to N is plus 2. L to N is plus 2. O to R. O to R is plus 3. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 logic is going on. So open. Open is how much? 15, 16, 5, N is 14. So this is plus 1. So 16 means P. So which option is starting with P? So first option and second option is starting with P. So now these two are eliminated. How you should do is you should eliminate every letter you should not do. So here it should be plus 4, no? Fourth letter. So 18. So 18 is how much? R. So which option is having last R? PR, HR. This will be the answer. That's it. Okay. So eliminate that and then do. See, that's what I am telling. Sushant Patil, alphabet only will be going, but numbers I am telling, that's all. PRHR. So now similarly, you solve these questions and tell me. So what it is? WKPA, Ladakh Star, Sonia Kolani, WKPA, Sushant Patil, Vinayak Ganje commented WKPL. And then here also in Zoom also all are commenting that only. Very good. So what is the logic here? So this is Q plus 2, Q plus 2. Am I correct? So again this also is plus 2. Am I correct or not? So D to F it is plus 2. Again X to Y it is plus 1. So logic is plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. M to N. So U, I, O, Z. So plus 2 T, U, V, W. So W should be first one. So don't go for other things. So W is our first one. Option A is the answer. So similarly, what about this one? If you solve this, you will get HM and C. Okay, HM and C. Next question you see. So be fast. So see this analogy, whatever relation you have here between doctor and hospital, same should be here between chef and something. So doctor works in hospital. So chef works in kitchen. Kitchen should be our answer. Candle is wax. If you burn the candle, you will get wax. If you burn the paper, or else candle is coming from wax. Am I correct? Paper is coming from pulp. Okay. Candle is coming from wax. So if you burn, paper is coming from pulp. So good is bad. Roof opposite. I think this is opposite case. Good opposite is bad. Roof opposite is floor. Okay. So reading, if you read, you will get knowledge. If you work, what you will get? If you work, you will be getting experience. Am I correct? You'll get experience. Okay. Next one, lion, deer. Lion, deer, mongoose, what? So mongoose, lion will eat deer. Mongoose will fight with snake. That's it. Okay. Now solve this and tell me the answers. Be fast. Solve this and tell me the answers. Be fast. Just see that and tell away the answer. So relation, whatever I have here, the same should be there between here also. Tailor clothing, farmer crop, furniture, wood, jewelry, goldsmith. See, clothing will be stitched by him. Okay, this should be opposite. Then we can tell. First clothing should come, then tailor should come. Then we can take. Here jewelry is being done by goldsmith. So order it is following. These two are possible, C and D, but this is reverse. If this is like this, now then I can match. Okay. Next one. So what about this one? Chapter book. Now handle. See, chapter is a part of book. Handle is a part of bicycle. Okay. Bicycle is the answer. Okay. Okay. So now coming to odd man out. So odd man out means, see, analogy will be following the same logic what earlier it was there. Now coming to this, we have to tell which is odd among all this. So which is odd among all this means, if you take the case of pen, pencil, paper, pencil, and then cup. If you take, which is odd among these? Which is odd among these three? Cup is odd among these three. All will belong to one group. Only one will not belong to that group. That we have to tell. Okay. Next, see. So now solve this and tell me the answer.
Saikiran, shall I give access for unmute themselves?
Yeah, you can give.
Okay, fine.
What
Yes,
happened?
guys. No, like somebody is asking, we are enthusiastic to talk in the session, so that's why.
Okay, no problem. You can. See, what is the answer for this?
63, sir.
So 63. So all are prime numbers 13, 17, 23, 71. All these are prime numbers. Only 63 is not a prime number. This is 7 into 9. Am I correct? All other things are prime numbers. So answer is, we have to tell which doesn't belong to this group. So 63 doesn't belong to that group. So now pick the odd man out of this.
Sir, sun.
What is the answer?
5 sun.
Sun, na?
Yes, sir.
So sun is all are planets. Am I correct? Sun is not a planet, it is a star. It is a star. So sun is the answer. Okay. Next one.
Chess, sir.
Chess.
Yes, sir.
Restorer
What is the
outdoor
logic?
game, sir.
Indoor game.
Chess is indoor and restorer outdoor.
So all are indoor games. So, I mean, only chess is indoor game. All other things are outdoor game. Am I correct?
Yes.
Next one.
Sir, P.
Sir.
Restorer millets.
What it is?
Peace.
Pizza.
Yes, sir.
What is the logic?
Bullets.
Uh-huh.
He's a creeper, sir.
Bullets, sir. Bullets. All are.
Restorer millets, no, sir. That's the reason.
Pea is not a millet. Mustard is a millet.
No, sir.
Mustard is not a millet, no.
It is a creeper. P is a creeper, sir.
See, all these mustard is what? Yeah, tell me what is it? Mustard is the answer. What might be the
all are mustard is a root, sir.
wheat, barley, rice, pea, and mustard?
Mustard is a root. Hello.
Covering, sir. Covering.
The mustard is a root type, sir, like potato.
See, all these are seeds. Yeah, very good. All these are seeds. But what about mustard? So mustard is not a seed one. Okay.
Oil type.
So now coming to this one. What about this one? Okay, very good. Tell me what is the answer for this? Yeah, if
So spider.
that mustard is also seed cake, then seed Here it will produce oil. Mustard will produce oil. These will not produce oil. That is also one logic. Okay.
The
So
spider.
creeper also is a logic.
Spider, sir.
What about this one?
Spider.
Spider, sir.
Spider.
Spider
What is the
has
logic?
6 legs. Rest all have wings, sir.
Hmm.
Spider do not have
So
wings.
all these can fly. Am I correct?
Yes.
So this cannot fly. So answer is spider. See, when you are unmuted, please only answer the questions. Apart from that, you don't go for any other thing. If you want to talk other side, you just mute yourself. So this is all about analogy. So here, what I want you people to remember more is this n logics. All the n logics you remember. Are you all okay with the analogy? If you are okay with analogy, see, the more you practice, the more logics you will get. Okay, the more and more you practice, the more logics you are going to get. Okay. So shall I go for other topic? Shall I confirm me whether I can go for the other topic or not? Are you all okay with analogy? Shall I go for the other topic? Next. Okay. So now I will go for people on YouTube. You also confirm me whether I can go. Okay. So now I will be going for next topic, that is I think coding and decoding. Coding and decoding head. Coding and decoding you put heading. So coding and decoding in placements, you will be having weightage of 3 marks. In placements, you will have a weightage of 3 marks. 3 marks. If you go for your gate examination, you will have a weightage of 1 mark. If you go for CAT examination, you will have a weightage of 3 marks. If you go for banking or insurance exam, you will have a weightage of 5 questions. If you go for SSC, RRB, RLC or state government examinations, you'll have a weightage of 2 questions. Okay, coding and decoding, generally where this logic, this topic will be more used, you tell me. Coding and decoding, where it is very much used, you tell me. Hmm? Where it is more used, you tell me. So in technicals, we are studied in encoders and decoder in digital electronic subjects, sir. As encryption is crypto type of copy, we use coding and decoding. Coming to programming side. See where it is, where it is mostly coding and decoding is nothing but here to maintain the secrecy of data, mostly they use this coding and decoding case. Am I correct? Secrecy of data. Coding and decoding is mostly used for secret communication. Very good, Pooja. Pooja Priti. Secret communication. Am I correct? Okay. So here, what logics I told you earlier, you should remember. The logics what I told, A to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and then N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and then Z. So numbering for this, you have to remember for sure. So that is 1 to 26. I have given already logics for you. Am I correct? So you remember those logics. Those are enough, more than enough. Whenever you go for the exam, no, they'll provide you this uh, rough sheet. In that you note down this and put. Instead of looking at who is beside you, how others are writing, immediately whenever you get the paper, you write numberings on it. Okay, this one, and squares, cubes you write and put. Okay. So after giving the paper, you immediately write those and put. When I went for the examination, I used to do that. So backward numbering also is important. Okay. So backward numbering is also important. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, like this. So forward plus backward is how much for us? 27. So backward equal to how much? 27 minus forward. This also you remember. And then logics for remembering is E Jyoti 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then 7 by G. G is 7, T is 20, P is 16. This you remember. And then sum of 27 is very important. This you remember, very important case. Sum of 27. What is sum of 27 for us? Sum of 27 means, see, A plus Z equal to how much? 27 for us. A plus Z equal to 27. By by is 27. SX6 is 27. Okay. SX6. Indian Railways, IR is 27. GT Road. GT Road is the longest road in Kolkata. Okay. So GT Road is 27. Like that, for every letter you will have. Okay, M and man. M is 13, this is 14. M and man. So like this, sum of 27 is very important. In examinations, they'll frequently touch this 27 case. Okay. Okay. So shall we move into the problem? There is nothing much that you can muck up. There is nothing much that you can muck up. Directly, we'll get into the problems. There will be some logics. You have to identify the logics that you'll get on practice. Okay. See the question like we did in analogies. You have to solve the questions here also. In a certain code language, picture only, no? Picture is written as, see, picture he is writing like this. Picture is written as QHDSVQF. So we should write for browser. Browser, how it is written. So like we did in analogy, no, the same way. First model would be just analogy type. So this is +1. I to H is how much? GHI. Okay. This is -1. Again +1, -1, +1, -1, +1. Am I correct? So what about this one? This is +1. So C. So all options are having first S. C. Last one +1. So +1, -1, +1, -1, +1, -1, +1. So this is yes, satisfied. So now once see middle one. Don't go for all the questions. See, this is +1, -1, +1, -1. This should be -1. So W minus 1. So this should be V. So in between, fourth letter V, this is gone, this is gone. So now we have this and this. Okay. In this C, third letter. So this is O +1. O +1 means which one? So here P I should have. So B is our answer. That's it. Okay. Okay. Don't solve all the questions. Just go for options. Verifying the options like this. Next, see this. So bat is coded as YZG. What about sick? SICK. How you are going to code? You tell me. SICK. SICK. So this is very important question. Solve and tell me the answers. So this is 2, 1, 20. This is 25, 26, 7. So sum of these two, BY is 27. Sum of these two is 27. In the same way, 1 plus 26 is 27. 20 plus 7 is 27. What about this one? So S is how much? 18, 19. Huh? So next I. Everyone should tell. 9, 3. K is how much? See, beside E Jyoti logic, you remember. Front and backward, you'll get easily. Okay, K is how much? So this is how much? 11. Okay, now plus 6. So 6 should be here. Here how much it should be? 18, 24, 16. So 6 is what? F. Sorry, something I missed, I think. See here what I should have 8, no? Sorry, 8. 8 means what? H. H is 8. Next, 16 is what? P. At last I should have P. So these options are eliminated now. These two options are eliminated. Now 24 means what? X, no? So X. HR XP is the answer. So 27 logic case is very important for us. Okay. Sir, explain again now. Mushka, what doubt you have? Sir, easily we can find letters of same numbers from backside. Way more easier. The same thing only we are doing. Okay, from backside also same. See, B is 2 number, Y is 25 number. So sum of these two, 2 plus 25 is 27. So A plus 26 is 27. In the same way, 20 plus G is 20 plus 7, 27. Like that, here also we should have 9, 3, 11. For this, if you add something, you should get 27. So if you add 8 to 19, you'll get 27. 18 to 9, you'll get 27. If you add 24 to 3, you'll get 27. 16 to 11, you'll get 27. Like that. Now, okay. Next one you solve and tell me. Next one you solve and tell me the answers. Be fast. Stark is written as LBFMG. Okay, mobile is written as TNRSPJ. Now blame is written as what? Tell everyone. What is the logic also you comment. What is the logic? What is the logic? See, whenever you have in these questions, in earlier questions, what is happening here? He is giving one thing and he is telling you to find out another thing. In that case, we'll see the logic here. The same logic should follow here, like analogy. But in this case, when you have more than two codings, so one and then two, now third one we have to find out. Whatever is there here, the same you take. So M is T, so M should be T. E is J, so E should be J. No, don't find any other logics. E should be J. So B already I have, no? B should be what? B is R. So B is R. So R and J, starting with R and J. So that's it. So whenever you have, this is called direct coding. These questions are direct codings. Sorry, these are decoding type. Decodings. This is direct coding. Direct coding in the sense, whatever is there, that same thing we'll put. Okay, RT, R and J should be there at first and last. So only one option is there with that. So R, PF, TJ is the answer. Okay, next. So now coming to these kind of questions. This is called digit coding or conditional coding. So conditional coding will be like here, this is called digit coding or conditional coding. So digit coding or conditional coding means he'll tell you the logic. He gave you that these are the letters, these are the codes. And then he'll give conditions. If both first and last letters in the group are vowels, both should be coded as dollar. If both first and last letters in the group are consonants, both should be coded as hash. Both should be coded as hash. So now once see here, KUNAJB. KUNAJB. So K code is 8. Okay. U code is 0. Next, NAJB. NAJB means N means what? N is 3, A means 9, 3, 9, and then JB. J is 1 and B is 7. 1, 7. So actually this should be the code. Now what is he saying? First option is there, but don't put away first option. Here the logic again conditions are there. See, we have to check the conditions also. What is the condition for us? If both the first and last letters in the group are vowels, it should be coded dollar. If both the first and last letters are in the group are consonants, then both should be coded as hash. So first and last letters in the group are consonants, no. So it should be coded as hash. So hash and hash should be first and last option. Only option like that is C, option C. So similarly, you see this, you take screenshot of this, and then we'll come to this questions. Actually, if this is also there in this only, then it would have been nice. Or else I'll write here. RBUKAE. RBUKAE. What will be the answer for this? You comment. What will be the answer for this? You comment, everyone, be fast. So what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? So R means what? R is 6, B is 7, U means 0, K means 8, A means 9, and E means 2. See, we have logics if both first and last letters are consonants or vowels. Here these are not first is consonant and second last is vowel. So if it is the case, we don't have any condition. So we can directly put that 670892. So this is the answer. Okay. Now tell me EBNAPI. So for this you tell me EBNAPI. For this you tell me the answer. EBNAPI. For this you tell me the answer. Be fast. See whether condition is there any condition for those or not. Next one. So what is that? First one and last one are vowels. So first one and our last one are vowels means we should be replacing with dollars. So dollar, dollar I'll put away. B is what? B is 7. N is what? N is 3. A is 9. P is 5. Hash $7395 dollars. $7395. So this one is the answer. So this is called digit coding or conditional coding. Okay, digit coding or conditional coding. Okay. So now this question you solve and tell me the answers. Be fast, everyone. Solve this and tell me the answers. We have 3 more. Okay, solve this and tell me the answers. Be fast. Sorry. So what would be the answers here? Here the logic is that same thing. Very good. So what is that? He is saying that the first digit is odd and last digit is even. The codes for the first and last digits are to be reversed. If the first and last digits are even, both are to be coded as star. If the first and last digits are odd, both are to be coded dollar. So first case, first is even and last is odd. Then we don't have any condition, no. So directly we can put away. So 2 means what for us? This one. So option is what? D. Next, this one. First and last are even. First and last are even means both should be star. So only options with star, both stars is C. No need of solving everything. You'll directly get away if you just C and put. So that's why I'm telling you, whenever you get a question on coding and decoding, you put first and last, and then if there are 2 or more options with the same thing at the first and last, then go for middle one. Like that you decode. Don't try for everything. Okay, simply here you see only one option is following. Okay, next. This is substitution coding. Substitution coding. What is substitution coding means? Here, see 786. 786 means he is saying that it is study very hard. Study very hard. Next, 958 means it is hard work pace. Hard work pace. And then 645. 645 is what? Study and work. Study and work. Okay, study and work. So now from this can I say that 786 common things you see here. Okay, so common things in first and last. So I'll use highlighter colors. Okay, highlighter colors I'll use. See here 8 I have and here also I have 8. So what is there here in here both common? In first and second hard is common. Am I correct? In first and second hard is common. So 8 is hard. Am I correct? 8 is hard. Next. What is common in first and third? First and third you see. First and third. First and third common is what? Study. First and third common is study. Next. First and third common is study. Next, similarly, second and third common is what? Work. Okay. So now can I say that 5 is work, 6 is study. So remaining things you'll get away, no? So from this 7 is this one. This is 7. Next 9 is space, 4 is and. Okay. So now what is the code for very he is asking? Code for very is 7. Okay, in the first step itself you can find out, but to show everything I am telling you. So like this, if you have 3 or more lines, he'll tell you to find out the common term. Common terms we have to find out in 2 or more things, and then we'll directly equate. Okay. Understood, no? So now I'll give you one question. Next one. Okay, next one. So now see this question. See this and tell me the answer. So try to solve this question, then I will go for this. Okay, first solve these questions. I'll just give you 2 minutes time period. First to find out what is what. So I think most of you might have done. See here, economics is there in three lines. So first, second, and third. So in first, second, and last, what is common? KA. So can I tell that economics is KA? Economics is KA. Next, which is common in first and second? Any other things? So money is common in first and second one, first and third one. So here and here, what is a common? Law is common. So money means law. Money is law. Next, supply. In this and in this it is common. Demand also is common. See, in first and this, any other things common? No. So in this, supply, demand, supply. In this also demand and supply is common. So now can I say that here MO, TA is common. So MO, TA, here also MO, TA is common. So can I say that demand or supply will be same as MO or TA. Okay, either of those will be having either of these. Okay, now from this I can say that and is PA. And is PA. So this line is over now. Next here is or not will be equal to ho or ga. Ho or ga. Multiple cases are coming. So in this and in this, makes is common. In this and in this, which is common? Zi is common. So makes is Zi. Makes is Zi. Next, in this only the left out part is only part. Okay. So only R part is nothing but NERKI. That's all. No? So do you all accept with this? Okay. Now let us go to the questions. If I go to the questions now, what is this? What is the code for money? For money, what is the code for us? LA. LA is the code. So what is the code for supply? What is the code for supply means demand or supply will be MO or TA. So it should be either MO or TA. Either MO or TA. Next, what is the possible code for demand only more? Demand only more means demand means what? It should be MA or TA. Sorry, MA or TA only means what? Only means what? NERKI. Next, more. More is there? More is not there here. Makes more something is there? No. So here MA and NE should be there for sure. MO and NE should be there for sure. It is there here. It is there here. It is there here. So this is gone and this is gone. So now MONE is present. KI is also for only one, no? So this is eliminated. So now apart from MO and NE, KI is there, no? So one more word will be there, no? One more two-letter thing will be there, no? That should not be there in this question. So now ZI also is there for us, no? ZI is there for makes. So it means that this is also eliminated. So XI we don't have anywhere in our given decoding, no? So XI is the answer. XINEMO. Did you understand this question, everyone? Did you understand this one? Option B is not correct. Option A is correct because ZI is already there for some other thing. ZI is for some other thing. So if two are present, third one should not be present in our given things. Okay. So you are okay with this question now? Now similarly you solve next question and tell me the answer. This one you solve and tell me the answers. Be fast. So work and money. How you are going to code work and money he is asking. So work and money, how you are going to code. So work and money. So what is work and money for us? So work we already have a code, no? For work we already have a code. What is it? So for work you are already having a code. What is it? You don't have for work. Huh? So for what we are having code? So work and money. Money we have a code. Money means what? LA. And we have a code PA. So and is PA. Money we have LA. So PA LA is there in this. In this not there. So this is gone. PA LA is there in this. PA LA is there in this. PA LA is there in this. So one option is eliminated. See whether GA is present in this. GA is present. So this is not the answer. For work, we should have a code which is not there earlier for us. Am I correct? Work, we should have a code which is not there in earlier case. So LU do we have? MO also we have earlier. So this is gone. NE also we have, I think, here. NE also is for PA, LA, LU will be our answer. That's it. Okay. Okay, option B is the answer. So in coding and decoding, you will be having direct coding, condition coding, condition or digit coding, substitution coding, These are the three models that are present for us. These are the three models that are present. So I have solved all the models. So in first direct coding also I have given you two cases. One is this and another is this. Okay. So with this, I'll complete the topic of coding and decoding. So is anybody having any doubt with the topics, what we dealt today? Tell me how was the class, and if anybody is having any doubt, you tell me. So we have dealt all the models. Please tell me how was the class. If you have any problem also, you can tell me so that I'll try to overcome that in the next class. Please tell me how was the class. Were you all okay with the class, or else you have any doubts, you tell me. Coding and decoding, it is like that only. Thank you. Thank you. You solve more and more questions from any material you like. So in the next class, we'll go for other topic. Okay. Keep practicing. When you practice more and more only, it will be easy for you. Okay. Thank you all. Chandana, you can take over.
Yeah, thank you, Cycle, for the wonderful explanation.
Thank you.
Okay. Guys, I told you that I will explain about LMS, right? So are you guys ready? So who joined today, yesterday? No. Attendance link I will share after the LMS. Just give me 10 minutes, so I'll complete this after that I'll send. But in the session, everybody don't know the LMS, right? Today also some people joined. Today there is no quiz. Tomorrow I'm conducting quiz on directions. Okay. Let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible. Yeah. What is LMS? LMS is a learning management system. It's a XLR e-learning portal. This is a in this you will get all the stuffs like day-wise PPTs, daily recordings, quizzes, practice papers, company papers, feedbacks, all the things, all the stuffs. Okay. And this LMS access will be with you lifetime. Okay, you can access at any time. So after registration, you will get two mails. First mail is a verification mail. That is, you can see here, welcome to XLR, verify your account. Right. See here, verification link is there, no? Click on this link. So it will take you to the sign in page. Sorry, set up your password page. So here you have to mention your password, and same password you have to mention, confirm password, and click on set my password. Okay. And another mail is, it is like it will come within 24 hours. Okay. After registration. It's a course invitation mail. So here we have welcome to Skill Up Final Years Campus Recruitment Training, right? So yeah, here we have a registration link, that is onlinelearning.xlr.com, right? So click on this link, it will take you to the sign in page. See here we have a sign in, store and register. We already register. So now we have a work in store and sign in. So store I will explain later. So click on sign in. So it will take you to the login page. See here we have email or mobile ID and password. So whatever you registered to this skill up, so that email ID you have mentioned here. And that password which you set it before, okay? That password you have to mention and click on login. It will take you to the home page. So from here, I will show the live LMS. Okay. Yeah. See, this is our live LMS. So you can see you have to make sure that you are in a home page. See, here we have a left and right side, right? So first I will explain about ways to join the session. So we have two ways to join the session. One is Zoom and one is another one is YouTube. So exactly at 6:20, you can see here join button. You can see here, no? Skill Up Final Years Campus Recruitment Training Day 22. So exactly 6:20, you can see here join button. Click on a join, it will take you to the Zoom. If you have any technical issue with Zoom, you can go through the YouTube link. Just click on this banner, it will take you to the YouTube. Okay. So I'm done with the right side. So I will explain about left now. Okay, here before I enroll more programs, that's why here we have many programs. So I want now skill up only, right? Yeah, I'm searching for skill up. Yes, see here we have a skill up final years campus recruitment training. Just click on this tab. Yeah, this page was opened. See, you can see here session recordings. Let me once again. Yes, here I will explain clearly. Here we have a curriculum, right? Under curriculum, we have a session recordings for quantitative aptitude, session recordings for programming skills, session recordings for logical reasoning. So daily, whatever happened, logical reasoning and quantitative aptitude sessions. So you can see here, you can see the recordings, okay, and materials for the same topics. For the programming skills as well, we have uploaded all the topics, whatever happened. and quiz. So we are done with the 4 topics of like 4 quizzes in quantitative aptitude and 1 logical reasoning and 1 technical, right, programming skills. So those quizzes we uploaded here, and practice papers. The those questions they asked in company like MNC company entrance exam. Okay, those questions you will get here based on the topic I mentioned here. Okay, and feedback form, feedback response also you can give here. From here also you can mark your attendance. Yeah, this is about recordings, materials, practice papers, and feedback response, quiz questions. Okay, and now I will explain about assessment. See here, you can see store, calendar, news center, assessment, no? So on this, click on this assessment tab on the assessment. So here you can see take test, right? So I already taken test, so that's why it asks retake. Just click on the take test. So it will take time. Here again, a retake test. Okay, it's loading. We'll wait for some time. Yes, okay, closed. So we have 20 questions per attempt. Okay, you can attempt many times. Like many attempts, we will get different questions in different topics. Okay, see here, I will mark randomly the questions. Answers I'll mark randomly. So I'll skip some questions also. Let me do that. Okay. So next. Yeah, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Okay, fine. So I'm done with the test. Yeah. See how many questions I marked here. Then it mentioned like blue color, right? Remaining all empty. So these questions, like 6 questions I marked. So I'll click on a finish. Yeah, here there is an analysis about the test. See 15% score. Means here we have 20 questions. Total correct questions was 3. And I take time 1 minute. And accuracy is 50%. And out of 6 questions, 3 questions is correct, 3 questions is incorrect. And 14 questions I skipped, no? Yeah. Like how much percentage difficulty it is. Okay. No difficulty, easy, medium. Here we can see. And come down, you can see the summary of the questions. Like in which topic the questions was. Here the mention. And time spent. And all. Okay. So I'll go up again. So here we have a detailed summary as well. So come here for the each questions, we have options and the explanation as well. Okay. You will get those explanation also here. Yeah. Session logins, how much time you took for the exam writing, and when you started, ended, all the things you will get here in the session login. Overall the summary. Yeah, go back again. So this is the way how to take your test. And in I told now I will explain about story like store as well. So let me go in the store. Just click on the store. It's loading. That came. Yeah, here we have a many topics. These and all EDL programs which what happened like before previously happened programs, this and all. So if you are interested in this EDL programs, you can enroll these. You can enroll these. And okay, my screen is visible, no? Okay, fine. So you can enroll this and listen these classes, and for listening these classes you won't get certificate. Okay. Okay. My screen is freezed. From when? Okay, fine. Shall I explain again? Is that okay, guys? Okay. Okay, fine. Like most of the people was telling that they understood from the YouTube. Yes, ma'am, it's freeze. Okay, fine. Okay, next class we will see. I will share the attendance link. Most of the people are eagerly waiting for the attendance. Yeah, don't worry. I will explain again, okay? Daily, most of the people are coming and going. Ma'am, I won't able to attend Saturday lecture as I have a major project presentation in my college. Okay, Shubham, you can take over. So guys, you register for this course. So after that only you will receive a registry verification mail, okay? Ma'am, please send the registration link. Yes, I'm sending. So meanwhile, you just mark your attendance. I'll come back with that registration link. Okay, fine. Somebody is asking about explain me how to take assessment. Yeah, I will take that one now. I'm sharing my screen. So after logging this LMS, so you can see here home, my library, store, calendar, news, center, assessment blog, right? So here we have a assessment. Okay, click on this assessment. Here it like I already attempt the test, so that's why it's showing retake. For starting people, it will take test. Okay, just click on the take test. Again, click on retake test. Okay, it will take time to reload. Yeah, close. So here we have a per attempt we have a 20 questions. Okay, just for many attempts we will get different topics and different questions as well. Yeah, I will skip all the questions. So yeah, 20th done. So click on the next. So I marked only 5 questions. So it filled in a blue color. Remaining what I didn't mark answers. So it is blank only. Just click on the finish. See here. Total questions was 20. Total correct one question. Take time. Sorry, time taken and accuracy how much. So one correct question, 4 incorrect, 15 skipped. You can see all the things here about analysis of your test, how you wrote, how was the test. And in the detailed summary, we have a question, options, and explanation as well. Okay. You can check from here. And session logs means when you started the session and when you ended, how much time you took. So this is about a test. And go back. See here. You can take again. Okay. So I hope all are understood this assessment, how to give the assessment. Okay. From YouTube, it is okay? How to take assessment? Do you understand? Okay. Some people are telling that it is not visible to the some people. So for them, please drop an email to edl@excelor.com. Okay, my team will help on that. Registration link I'm sharing now. So who missed the registration, please register in this link. So after that, you will get verification mail. Ma'am, if you are having 60% attendance, okay. Yeah, 60% attendance is mandatory. So guys, do you join our WhatsApp channel? So in the WhatsApp channel, we will send live updates about the CRT session, Skill Up Final Year session. Who missed to join, please join now. I'm sharing the WhatsApp link as well. Janeshwar, you register for the Skill Up. So after registration only, you will get the verification mail. Okay, fine. So guys, if you don't have any queries, you can leave the session, or any questions, you can ask me, I will answer them. Ma'am, does XLR provides placement assistance for MCA 2023 passed outs? No, we are providing only final year engineering students. Pooja, just wait for 24 hours, you will receive it. Okay, I'm mentioning the mail in chat box, edl@excelor.com. Yeah, please take from here. Ma'am sent PDF on reasoning topics. So, Vamshi Kiran, you will get the topics on notes and all in the LMS. So you can take from there. Okay, Janeshwar, you just check your spam mails also, no? Once. Ma'am, send the PDF on reasoning topics. Nagavamshi Kiran, you will get that PDF on reasoning topics in the LMS. Okay? Attendance link I'm sharing now. Tomorrow we have a quiz on directions. Okay? Attendance is mandatory. Yeah, attendance is mandatory because we will get to know, right? You attended the session or not based on the attendance. Okay, fine. Any more questions? Ma'am, do we get certificate for the past sessions if we attend it now? Yeah, you will receive. For the whole CRT program, we are providing only one certificate. Okay, it's not like a certificate for a quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning. No, it's not like that. Ma'am, how many classes are there? Actually, we are providing this session like up to March, like 3 to 4 months. March ending or else April first week it will take to complete all the quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, soft skills, verbal ability, programming skills. We will covering all these things. So it will take 3 to 4 months. I want to registration process, ma'am. Yeah, I will share the registration link. So please fill the details so that it means you register for the CRT program. After that you will receive mail. We listen the recording class, but you have to attend the live sessions, no, so that you can clear your queries also with this Kiran. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, is this course free or it may be cost? It's a free course. We are not asking any payment. It's a free of cost, guys. Ma'am, where is logical reasoning classes? So we are done with 3-day class, no? So in the LMS, you will get those 3 recordings. Okay? 3 days recordings. Okay. We can only aptitude certificate. No. We are not giving a separate certificate for different topics. We are giving only one certificate for the Skill Up Final Years CRT program. How to get recorded classes, ma'am. In the LMS, you will receive Bhavani. Ma'am, attendance link. Yes, I'm sharing. Portal link you need? Yes, I'm sharing that. Are you providing placements? Yes, for the engineering final year students, we are providing the placements. So, how many days logical reasoning classes? It's a 60 plus hours Najir Basha. Okay, guys. We are final years. So, Manikanta, you are engineering final year student? Final years means in which branch? Programming skills 2 days vastundi. Yes, 2 days lo vastundi. Yeah, we are providing programming skills in weekends, Saturday and Sunday, that to 10:30 to 1 p.m. Please update GitHub classes, ma'am. Madhavi, you just ask in that class, not this class. BSc IT final years ki kuda unda? No, we are providing only final year engineering students. I'm from computer science engineering, ma'am. Yes, so that you just attend the program live sessions. So attend all the quizzes and all. So you will get maybe. Vishal, we have a programming skills on weekends, 10:30 to 1 p.m. When was started quantitative aptitude class, ma'am? So we already done with phase 1. So some 6-7 topics. So we will come again with phase 2. In that also we are going to explain about quantitative aptitude. Ma'am, this is my 7th class. I attended daily. I can get a certificate, ma'am. Yeah, Ganesh, you just attend daily, so you will receive the certificate. Manikanta, we will let you know, okay, after 3 months. Yeah, if you don't have, you can leave the session, Vivek. Okay. Okay, fine, guys. Ma'am, if you miss a quiz, is there any problem? If an emergency, if you miss the quiz means it's okay. I will upload the quiz and next day in the LMS, so you can refer there those questions. Prepare on those. We have a final test as well. Like we have a different kinds of tests like unit test, multi-test. Okay, final test. So in those tests, you have to write compulsory. You can't miss it. Third year వాళ్ళకి ప్లేస్మెంట్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఉంటుందా? No. only for final year students. Is this useful for degree final year students? Yes, for everybody it is useful, because not only here we are providing placements, like it will be used like in a different platforms also, like when you want to write a competitive exams, bank exams, SSC, UPSC. So this is the mandatory topics actually. Okay, if you want individually, you're going to MNC companies, you want to write the exam from your side, so that time also it is useful. Nazir Basha, we will inform that, okay? Ma'am, 3 to placements untada, ma'am. So I didn't get to a question, Harshita. Ma'am, please send attendance link. Kavishri, you can't able to find your attendance percentage, because you can calculate yourself, like how many days I attended. Certification untada, ma'am. Yes, yes. For everyone, certification will be there. Okay, Harshita, you are telling about you're a third year, second semester, right? I got it. No, there is no chance, because we are considering only fourth year, 8th semester, or else fourth year, 7th semester. For degree students, we are not providing placements. Okay, fine. I think she's from third year. Yes. Okay, fine, guys. We'll session. So go and have your food and sleep well. Good night, everybody. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a quiz as well. Just practice on that. Okay. Good night, everybody. Bye bye. Take